Hello friends, today we will discuss an important and very interesting topic, that is criminology, its introduction, background and definition. Before starting the video, I would like to request you that if you are new on my channel then please do not forget to subscribe ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे. नंबर 1, इंट्रोडक्शन टू क्रिमिनोलॉजी. फ्रेंड्स, क्रिमिनोलॉजी एक सोशल साइंस की ब्रांच है और सिंपली वी कैन से दैट साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ क्राइम एंड इट्स पनिशमेंट. You can see the examples. Here we study all kinds of crimes. For example, organized crime, kidnapping, white collar crime, murder, snatching, rape, political crime and so many. It tells us the techniques and methods of committing crimes and how to deal and how to treat a criminal. इसके अलावा ये हमें क्रिमिनल बिहेवियर, डेविएंट बिहेवियर, डेलिंक्वेंट बिहेवियर और सिन के बारे में भी बताती है कि ये क्या है और इनमें क्या डिफरेंस है. It also tells us the psychology of criminals and how to rehabilitate the criminal and how to investigate the crime and how to prevent the society from committing crimes and what is the role of CJS. Number 2, background of criminology. In 1885, an Italian law professor, Raffaele Garofalo, gave the concept of crime and law. He was the student of Lombroso. He told crime can be understood if it is studied by the scientific method. He attempted to formulate a sociological definition to represent the crime and punishment. And he coined an Italian term, criminologia. In 1887, a French anthropologist, Paul Tapinard, who studied human and criminality, and he changed the term criminologia into the French term criminology. In 1764, an Italian philosopher, jurist, politician and lawyer, Cesare Beccaria, he worked on penology, which is considered as a criminological subject. He condemned torture and death penalty. He has written a book on crimes and punishments. And he is considered as a father of criminal law and criminal justice. In 19th century, an Italian physician, Lombroso, he gave the concept of born criminal. He did a post-mortem of a criminal and found some aspects which were transferred by genetically. Then he gave the theory that crime is an inherited character which is transferred by the parents. He has written a book, Criminal Man. He was the first person in the history who gave the scientific method to study crime, and he is considered as a father of modern criminology. In 20th century, criminology grew up and got real success. In 1918, the American sociologist Maurice Parmeli, he wrote the first American textbook and titled as a criminology. Number 3, definitions of criminology. Simply we can define as the scientific study of crime and criminal behavior. Number 2, it is the scientific study of crimes, criminals and correction of offenders. Number 3, the broader science which studies the interaction organs of criminal justice system and plays vital role in punishment is called criminology. Friends, these all are definitions of criminology, but the accurate and suitable definition is Number 4, the branch of social science that deals with the study of making of laws, breaking of laws and reactions towards breaking of laws. This definition was given by an American sociologist, Edwin Sutherland. So let me understand you what this definition explains. The first point is making of laws. Friends, if we see in an old era, people used to fight like animals and commit any crime they want without any fear. And the causes of committing crimes could be enmity, angerness, poverty, joblessness, and personal desire etc. That is why laws are made to control the moral behavior of people and to regulate peace in the society. Second point is breaking of laws. When anybody breaks the law, it simply means that he has committed a crime. And the crime can be any kind of, such as serious crime or less serious crime. The third and most important point is reactions towards breaking of law. Friends, we all know that breaking the law is a crime, and the reactions of crime occur on two sides, on society and on law enforcement agencies. Number 1, reaction of crime on society. It creates violation in the society. It damages the peace of mind of society. It creates a fear in the society. It gives a motivation to another person for committing crime. Number 2. Reactions of crime on law enforcement agencies. Reaction of crime occurs on law enforcement agencies that how they deal a criminal. What is their method to catch the criminal? Procedure to treat the criminal. Way to reform and rehabilitate the criminal. Mode of adding sanctions. And what is the role of CJS in correction or punishment?